So right now I'm at the Wishcare office. Been also so crazy. Oh my god, I met Sarah.
Your first ever Wishcare product.
I cannot believe. Okay, hi guys, welcome to another brand new vlog. This vlog gonna be so special one because in this vlog I will be meeting my favorite YouTuber right there, and I cannot believe that opportunity has come. My god, that I meet her in person and tell her because of you I started my YouTube channel, and I never thought this to be career of mine to develop, like content creation as a career. I come from a family who can hardly think of, but slowly I'm pursuing one. So that is somewhere because of her. I tell you, she is not only a motivation that she gives, she is really an inspiration for me. It's gonna be super special vlog for me. I want to vlog it out. I want to just document, and come with me. I'm just getting ready. Today is 26th of April, Saturday, and I have postponed all of my work, and I cannot believe the day has come. Oh my god, I just did my hair a little bit. We will be getting ready. The theme of this event is very like a stylish and comfy. They haven't mentioned any color or as such, so we will take it very lightly, and I'm not at all thinking about that because it should be like me and her. So did I tell you who? So I am meeting, drums roll, Sarah Sarosh. I know many of you guys know, and I have occasionally talked about her in my videos or through supporting her, as in she has a brand, Impulse Coffees. So I always loved. So yeah, and finally it's the day that I'm meeting her. I don't know what to say to her. I think I have rehearsed in my mind what to say, but I don't know if I can or cannot. And also it's so hot in Kolkata right now, so I'll be wearing the most comfy clothes possible because it should be like no distraction, only me and her talking. That is it. For some moments I do not want to get bothered. Yeah, I'm so happy. So this is happening in Wishcare's office. The Wishcare brand is hosting this event along with Sarah Sarosh. So it's a meet and greet, and I'm so happy. And I got the invitation last day already prepared, so my brother gonna take me there, and my friend will be also there to accompany me. And yeah, that is pretty much of it. So I'm so happy. Let's do it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I just got ready. This is what I'm looking like, and I took this earrings as well. मैं ये pouch में लेके जा रही हूँ थोड़ा बहुत extras because I need to travel 1.5 hours to reach the event location. And also I'm going with my brother. Today the color of lipstick, I'm wearing my favorite lipstick from Rucha Beauty. So this in the shade called Brew. So that I've done, and these are the earrings, the chunky gold earrings that I'm taking with me. So now I'm going by bike, so I have to wear the helmet. That's why I'm not wearing the earrings right now, but we will do soon. So I have decided here to give you the final look, how I gonna look like. So this is the earring that I got from H&M quite days back. It's a so beautiful earring. It's a 2-in-1, so I'm doing only the hoop thing right here. It's quite pricier but worth the money. I really love H&M products. And now I'm wearing my favorite lipstick from Rucha Beauty. This is in the shade called Brew. It's their plush pout lipstick. I absolutely love it, and I'm carrying my pouch. It's my go-to pouch, and this is how I look like. I'm so excited. I am sweating a lot. I don't know, usually I got a very sweaty face, but today is like next level of nervousness, excitement, and what I got completely ready. And yeah, so this is what I'm wearing, a very basic. The last vlog you saw my shopping haul, last one. So I'm wearing that very simple kind of tea. It's a mint green tea right there, so I'm loving it. So comfortable, and this is what I look like. Decent, very decent. So pretty much this is how I look like, and I just did a very nice bun right there because so hot. Currently it is like 39 or 38 degree and feels like 40, and I am going out on a peak heat right there. So yeah, this is what it look like. Let's go. I can't believe we are going, and we will be meeting soon with Sarah. So let's go. Can't believe. Yeah, fine. Let's go. Bus stand কোনো
One eternity later.
As soon as I entered the Wishcare office, this is what I witnessed. I saw Sarah right in front of me. She was clicking pictures with others as well, and there was a lot of conversation going on. I was just in awe. I was waiting patiently to just hug her and meet her, and then comes the real moment, and it was completely a fangirl moment right here for me. Cannot forget that hug for my entire life, and also she said you look so pretty. I mean, I can't.
And when you are actually working, you are studying, you know कि अपने लिए वो 8 ग्लास पानी पीना ही एक बड़ी बात होती है अगर if you manage to do that as well. So that is when we came up with the idea of multifunctional skincare, where we can give solutions for people like us. That is how we came up with the idea of Wishcare, and that is why I think I resonated with Sarah's content also, because she is a hustler. She knows the thing that she is doing. She knows चाहे वो weight loss हो, चाहे वो body positivity हो, making content हो. I have seen your content where you try to speak. Ready for that. I really feel that is why I felt I need to have you. I need you to try our products, because I know एक बार I try करूँगी you are going to be a fan of that. I was sure about that. So thank you for supporting.
Like it's so less inventory that you are convinced. If I need a vitamin C serum, this one goes, and she's very mindfully curating products. So that's like whenever she's developing something, or she tells me, I'm doing this, but it takes so long for it to come. So you know कि हाँ बहुत time लेके आराम से अच्छे से they are launching a product.
We hardly have 3-4 launches in the entire year. We are not behind, number of launches. We are launches करते जाना है just to show that we are a big brand.
So much of sunburns and this pigmentation. Now also I'm working still, but it's truly changed the game. I love anything Ceramides in the product. It's a game changer.
So we have seen that. So we try to have multiple problems to make solutions. Thank you. Revolutionary products.
And I'll see what difference it makes. I'll make a video. But this year I think after I lost weight, जो type का hair fall हुआ, like
Your first ever Wishcare product.
I love your lip balm. Your watermelon